We're about to go home.
Hey you! Stop!
Don't worry, Mom. It won't take long.
Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping, Brother Jug? Morning bells are ringing. Morning bells are ringing.
Oh no, the police. Mom, hurry, this way. Stay here. It's too dangerous. No, I want to go with you, Mom. Be quiet, my child. Mom, I'm so hungry. Wait for me, okay? I'll go find something.
Hello, miss.
Save one for me, okay?
Have an apple. Hey, what are you doing?
Hey you! Stop! Hey you! Stop!
Oh no, Leo.
No!
You beast. Stay away from my child. Do you think I'm that easy to bully? Mom, you're hurt. Mom, what's wrong with you? Oh no, my body feels so uncomfortable.
No!
Hello, my new test subject.
Who the hell are you?
If you want to be cured, you have to come with me.
I have to go find Mom. This is all your fault. Mom is dead because of you.
Hey, buddy, how about we go somewhere fun?
Go away. I don't want to see you. This is all your fault. Mom is dead because of you.
Everyone, hand over all the money.
Give up. You've been captured. I'm okay, my child. Don't worry.
Wretched fox, I will catch you.
Fox, you will pay for this.
Be careful. The fox is very dangerous.
Everybody freeze. Evil fox, it's time to pay the price.
Oh, do you want to capture me? Or are you after money?